Here is a Pinterest-inspired craft. Pinterest is a great place to find inspiration for the dollhouse. I am loving this, so let's make it. For this project, we are using popsicle sticks. We find these at most craft stores, Walmart, and the dollar store. We are using them to make small wooden crates. I start by measuring the popsicle stick to 2 3/4. Repeat until you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cut on the lines marked, and remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I'm using a wire cutter that I found at the craft store to cut my popsicle sticks. Sand any rough edges, line up 5, place another popsicle stick going across, mark the ends, cut on the lines marked. I have enough popsicle stick left over that I could cut another one. Cut 10, take 2 and glue them across the top and bottom to make the back of our crate. Take the remaining 8 and divide them into 2 groups of 4, lining them up side by side. Place a popsicle stick going across, mark and measure, cut, make 4, glue them in place to make the sides. Glue them onto the short ends of the base. Take the remaining 6 long strips that we cut earlier, glue 3 to each side, evenly spacing them by placing 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, then 1 in the middle. Repeat on the other side to make a little crate. Repeat to make more. We made a total of 6 crates. Now let's glue them together to make our shelf. I start with 2, one going long ways and the other standing tall. Add 2 more in reverse. Add another one laying down on top, then add the last one standing up to make a crate shelving unit. Looking at our inspiration photo, we need a room with a large window. We can use foam board to make a quick room. Cut a 12 by 12 inch square. Cut more foam board for the walls. On one of the walls, cut out a window. Cut clear plastic. Glue it behind the opening. Cut thin strips of foam board and glue them around the edges to make a large window. Take the square for the floor and glue down some wood grain scrapbook paper. I chose a wood that was similar in color to the crates. Glue on the walls. Add trim around the bottom to make a simple box room. For our crate shelf, add a chair from our doll beach furniture video. Paint a wooden bead with a terracotta colored acrylic paint. Paint recycled glue stick caps to make a variety of terracotta pots. Glue in artificial plants. You can wrap them with brown felt first to look like dirt to make a variety of plants that we can place on our crate bookcase. The chair. For our round plant, cut 4 pieces of string. Glue the ends onto a small twig from outside. Divide the strings in half. Tie a knot. You need 1 on each side. Separate the thread. Take the center 2 and tie them together. Then tie the other 2, trying to keep the knots in about the same spot. Place the bead between the knots. I need another piece on the side, so I cut more thread and attached it to the knot. And I totally just glued it on. Make a knot in about the same place as the others, then glue it to the bead. Tie and knot a string around the hanging strings underneath. Glue the twig to the back wall to make a hanging plant. Use more plastic caps to make a variety of other plants. At the top, we place a small picture that we found at the craft store, completing our Pinterest-inspired scene. Overall, I think it's pretty close. And now our dolls have a quiet space to do a little gardening indoors. And you can use this shelving unit for a bookcase or for whatever else you like. Thank you for joining us for this Pinterest-inspired craft. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that I wanna go?
We want to give a shout out to all of the Fabs moms out there. What's up? Happy Mother's Day, Mom! Oh, Sophie, this is lovely. But what's that smell? Oh, I got the crates from the fish market. I hope you like it.
Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see